Ulefone Armor. 27T Pro, the ultimate rugged smartphone. Today we're taking a look at a phone built for the extremes. This is the Ulefone Armor 27T Pro, and it's packing some serious durability and interesting features. Can it handle what we throw at it? Let's find out. Let's talk build quality. 27T Pro has a chunky industrial design with reinforced corners and rubberized edges that scream durability. It's got IP68 and IP69K ratings, meaning it can survive dust, dirt and high-pressure water jets. With MIL STD810H certification, it's tested to withstand drops, shocks and vibrations. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the thermal imaging camera. The Armor 27T Pro uses FLIR technology, letting you see heat signatures and spot temperature differences. Think about the possibilities: finding leaks, diagnosing electrical issues, or spotting wildlife in the dark. It's a super cool feature that you don't see every day on a smartphone. I've used it for everything from checking grill temperature to finding where my dog likes to sleep. Can it handle everyday tasks? Under the hood, you've got a MediaTek Dimensity processor. It handles multitasking smoothly with up to 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. Need more space? Pop in a micro SD card. A display built for the outdoors. The Armor 27T Pro has a 6.58-inch display. It's bright and vibrant even in direct sunlight with a 120 Hz refresh rate, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. This screen is durable, you can take it anywhere and it'll hold up. Battery life that just won't quit. The Armor 27T Pro has a massive 10,000 mAh battery. You can easily get 2 full days of use on a single charge. The 66-watt fast charging is seriously fast. It also has reverse wireless charging to power other devices. Capture it all, day or night. The main sensor is 108 megapixels, taking impressive photos, especially in good lighting. It also has a wide-angle lens for landscapes and group shots. Overall, it's a solid camera system for everyday photography. Software and extras that impress. The Armor 27T Pro runs Android 13 with a clean and snappy interface. It includes the latest security updates, 5G, NFC, and a customizable side button. Ready for anything. The Armor 27T Pro comes with a built-in barometer, compass, and super accurate GPS. Dual SIM support is a lifesaver for those juggling multiple SIM cards. This phone really does have it all. Ulefone Armor 27T Pro, is it for you? This is more than just a rugged phone. It's a statement packed with features, a unique thermal camera, and built like a tank. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, industrial worker, or need a reliable smartphone, this device has got you covered. Is the Armor 27T Pro tough enough for your lifestyle? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.